In this video, we will look at how to configure a step using existing processes in Clarity LIMS. To configure a step, log into the Clarity LIMS web interface as a system administrator. After you sign in, click on the Configure button to access the configuration page. Step configuration will be covered under Protocol Configuration on this protocol page. Find the protocol that includes the step that you would like to configure and click on the toolbox. Within this protocol, all of the steps that have been configured are listed in the order they were configured. You can find the step that you want to configure here, or if you want to add a step to this protocol, simply click on this drop-down and search for by keyword the process you would like to use. To configure this step, which we just created in the process creation video, we can click on the toolbox again to access the step configuration. Under Properties, you can check whether the step is a QC step, which means it will carry a QC flag on all of its output samples. Permitted destination containers can be chosen here by clicking into this bar. 96 well plate can be added. Even 384 well plate can be added. On the next step configuration, you can choose to have the step followed by only one potential next step or several. That means when the users are finishing samples from the step, they can move it to any of the three next steps. On QView, currently, the QView will display only these 4 fields as headers. If you would like to display concentration or units, you can simply choose the field you want to display and drag and drop them onto here. Step Setup will allow you to configure specific files required to be uploaded before a specific EPP script within the step can be executed. Record Details screen allows you to check and turn on any UDFs for the process you created. You can specify whether the shared file output needs to be manually attached or generated by a script. The fields that will be displayed on the output side of this step are configured here. If you would like to remove some of these fields, simply drag and drop them back to the list, or add new ones from the list. Simply click Save Step to save all the modifications you have made. By now we have completed the step configuration for extract DNA and measure concentration. As a simple test, by clicking it to access the QView, I can already see that the concentration and concentration units are listed in the QView as header details. This is how you can configure new or existing steps using existing processes in Clarity LIMS. Following this concept, on the next video, we will look at how to add a new protocol and new workflows in Clarity LIMS.